Hello everybody, I am Yohaane Irani. I work for the Great Eastern Shipping Company and I am currently managing the hospitality sector in the facilities and administration department. So far, so good. Got to learn a lot of things as well as got to meet a lot of people with great experience. So not just you learn from professors, but also from your peers who have been in various industries for several years. So it's an overall great experience in learning. Yes, I have been to a certain extent and especially dealing with a certain category of people. So it's really helped me out, and I'm sure from this campus immersion, I'm going to take more back to my office and implement it. Campus immersion was fantastic. We got to relive our wonderful college days after personally 13 to 14 years of work experience, and coming and studying with professors and understanding what the current market needs, being in the campus, having several facilities. So XLRI has done well with the new Delhi NCR campus.